Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to sign in into your Instagram. So for that, first you need to download and install the app Instagram. I have already pre-downloaded the application in my mobile phone. I am using an iOS device, but the process for Android device is also the same as for iOS. So here now you need to click on your Instagram application and you'll be taken to a page like this. Here they will ask you for phone number, username or email and your password for sure. So whatever thing you have used while making your account is the required thing that you need to keep on the first box. So I am going to use my username. You can use your email as well as your phone number. And here you need to give it your password and click on login. And in this way, you can access to your Instagram account and you can get inside your Instagram. I hope this video helped you. Thank you.